Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 35, search insert position. So we will be given a sorted array of distinct integer and a target value, and we have to basically return the index if the value is already there. Otherwise, we have to return the position in which the number can be inserted in. And they have given this condition that the runtime complexity should be log of n. Okay, so it's a really simple problem, and we're going to use this your binary search. And if the number is present, we will definitely return that out. Otherwise, we are going to return the left pointer out at the end. So let's start. Let's start the solution. Yeah. So first, we need to define is our left and right pointers, right? So left will be at 0 and start will be at length of elements in my nums array minus 1. Okay. Now we need to check while left is less than or equal to right. I want to run this loop. Okay. And we will calculate the mid again and again. Like each time we'll update the left and right positions. So to get the mid, what I'm doing is I am summing up left and right and dividing it with 2. And we are taking floor division, right? After this, it's really simple. So if number present at the mid location is greater than the target, then I want to update my right pointer to mid minus 1. Okay, it's really simple, like simple binary search. Elif, sorry, yeah, elif my number at mid is less than target, then I want to update my left pointer to mid plus 1. Else, if we find the target, I want to return the mid pointer. Okay. Once we complete this loop and we don't find the pointer, I want to return my left pointer. So this is it. Like this was a solution. Let's just check out the test cases. We just zoom in a bit. Huh. Uh, right. Okay, sorry. I initialize it as a start, and it should work now. Yeah. So all the test cases got passed. Let's submit for further evaluation now. And awesome. So the solution got accepted and we performed decent, like we have performed 61% of the submitted solutions. So yeah. Thanks some guys for watching out the video and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.